Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to get easy Temu referrals. Temu is an e-commerce platform that offers a referral program to its users, allowing them to earn rewards by inviting friends and family to join the platform. To start getting referrals, you need to have a Temu account. If you don't have one, sign up on the Temu website or download the Temu app. Once you have an account, navigate to the referral section, usually found in the account settings or dashboard. In the referral section, you will find your unique referral link or code. This link or code is what you will share with others to invite them to join Temu. When someone signs up using your referral link or code, you will earn a reward, which can be in the form of discounts, credits, or other benefits. To maximize your referrals, share your link or code on social media platforms, such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. You can also share it with your friends and family via email or messaging apps. Additionally, you can join online communities or forums related to e-commerce or online shopping and share your referral link with the members. Another effective way to get referrals is to create content around Temu, such as blog posts, videos, or reviews. Share your experiences and opinions about the platform, and include your referral link in the content. This will not only attract new users to Temu but also establish you as an expert in the field. To track your referrals, return to the referral section on the Temu platform. There, you will see the number of people who have signed up using your link or code, as well as the rewards you have earned. Use this information to adjust your referral strategy and optimize your results. In conclusion, getting easy Temu referrals requires a combination of sharing your unique referral link or code, creating valuable content, and leveraging social media and online communities. By following these steps and best practices, you can maximize your referrals and earn rewards on the Temu platform.